लाइव कट कर दो हम लोग।
अबे नहीं, रहने दे रहने दे, वो अभी चिल्ला चिल्ली करेगा, मैं आ रहा हूँ 2 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ। कट वट नहीं करना है, वो बना के रखी है वो।
अरे तो वहीं पर कर दो ना भैया, यहाँ लाइव लाइव लाइव।
बेटे को आना दे, बेटे को आना दे,
हम लोग के साथ बनाओ, हम लोग
बेटे को आना दे, रुक जा, बेटे को आना
हम
दे,
लोग के साथ।
ये ले।
हाँ अरे वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है, हम लोग के साथ कट करो भाई।
She's coming? Okay, come. Get the bigger one. Get the bigger knife. Get the bigger knife. Okay, cut. So happy birthday to you.
It's not my birthday. Yeah.
Okay, you cut it. It's not my birthday even.
अरे मोमबत्ती
अबे कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही केक बनाई है वो बच्चा है। काटो ताते काटो। Very nice. Happy? Birthday fell on. Fine. चलो जाकर खेल।
Yeah, you can eat it.
No, I will not eat it now.
अरे खाओ ना रे भाई।
একটা প্লেটে করে দাও মা। এটা নিয়ে যাও।
भाभी जी कहाँ हैं?
भाभी जी, अरे कुछ नहीं, वो बना रही थी ऐसे ही, वो
अरे बना रही तो भाई ओकेजन है भाई।
देखो गिरा सब।
क्या चमक रहा है, इसलिए लगा कि कुछ तो अलग है।
अबे कोई चमक, क्या चमक बे। मेरा हो गया, जून में ही हो गया।
ओके
चलो, और बाकी लोग कहाँ है? 9 तो बज गया।
बाकी पब्लिक अब देखो, अब धीरे धीरे आएगी लोग, जो लोग।
देबू की खबर?
अभी 2 मिनट बाकी है भाई।
अरे अभिषेक का वो डायलॉग मुझे याद आ रहा है यार, हॉस्टल में जो बोलता था। अभिषेक बोल दे एक बार, और एक बार बोल दे।
कौन सा?
हमारे যখন খারাপ যায়
जो खराब था के पोद मारो बच्चा हो।
কথা বলবে? अच्छा अंकल तर हाय बोल।
हॉस्टल का भी क्या लाइफ है यार।
हाँ तेरा वो डायलॉग मुझे याद है अभी। अच्छा इसमें
सब आदत अभी तक चेंज नहीं होता है।
इसमें सब लोग एक साथ लाइन से नहीं दिखता है क्या? कौन कौन है जो बोल रहा है, उसी का पिक्चर आ रहा है?
नहीं तू इसमें लैपटॉप में लगा दे, सब लोग दिखेगा।
ओके मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ दोबारा। हाँ
लैपटॉप में भी ज्वाइन कर ले, उसमें सब लोग दिखेंगे।
ठीक
Hi everybody.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, uncle?
I'm good. I'm very good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You are going to be here with us, seeing all our chats, all our discussion.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, I think I will be.
Great. So you have attended your class today?
Yes, I did.
What was the subject?
Actually, I did not because today was a holiday.
Oh, you're great. How many days you have holiday in a week?
So tomorrow will be my piano class. After that is my after that will be my computer exam.
Okay, exam.
Exam, yes.
Good. What about on Tuesday?
Computer exam is Monday, yeah.
You know this, uncle? We all studied in the same college.
So that's why you're friends?
Yeah, that's why we are friends. Chalo, you go now.
Okay, my mother is calling.
Mama is calling, you go, have your dinner and go.
Wait,
That is for Papa.
yes. In your sister. On the table.
देवाशीष के देख, यही देखो देवाशीष चले लेकिन तो मेर ये नहीं কিরে
হ্যাঁ কি
তোর মের ক্লাস ছিল বললি
না ওটা আজকে একটু টাইম চেঞ্জ হয়েছে ওটা আগে হয়ে গেছে তো আমাকে একটু পরে 9:45 নাগাদ বেরিয়ে যেতে হবে 9:35 40 কোথায় যাব না বাড়িতে ডিনারের জন্য ওয়েট করবে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওই জন্য
अरे बहू के भालो बोलले बहू बोलছে ঢপের কীর্তন কি বলি বলতো এবার
एक बार कर देख 9 बजे ठीक आ चुके हैं तो टाइम से आने वाला है और आ गया टाइम पे सही देख
कौन आया मोहित आ गया
मोहित आ गया
सब पंक्चुअल लोग हैं यार
मोहित अब पंक्चुअल लोग हैं एकदम टाइम से आ जाते हैं लोग
हाय मोहित
क्या देबू क्या हाल चाल
बस बढ़िया कैसे हो
ऑल गुड यार
कहाँ पे हो अभी तुम? सिटी कौन सा? हाँ,
हैदराबाद।
हैदराबाद, ओके। डॉक्टर रेड्डीज?
हाँ
ओ, बहुत दिन हो गया ना तुम्हारा डॉक्टर रेड्डीज में?
हाँ, 7वां साल।
ओके।
वाह वाह,
संजय देख सबको दिखा दिखा के खा रहा है।
आजा ना, किसने मना
सबको खिला
किया?
रहा है वो।
तो किसने मना किया? आजा।
तुम दोनों मिलते हो? तुम दोनों हैदराबाद में हो, संजय और मोहित?
हाँ, हम
अबे
लोग
मैं
मिलते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे।
एक हर वीक में मिलता है यार।
हम लोग व्हाट्सएप पे मिलते हैं।
व्हाट्सएप पे मिल जाते हैं।
अबे तुम बात ही मत कर, ये बात ही मत कर मोहित, समझ रहा है?
ये बहुत दूर रहता है, मालूम तुमको?
नहीं,
बहुत
बात तो
दूर
है,
मतलब बहुत
दो अलग अलग कॉर्नर्स है यार। नहीं तुम्हें वेरी
इतना बड़ा हैदराबाद है यार, 2 घंटा में तो खत्म हो जाता है हैदराबाद। क्या है?
वीजा चाहिए होता है, वीजा चाहिए होता है।
हाँ, वीजा चाहिए होता है ना।
अब असली बात आ गया ना, वीजा चाहिए होता है।
तू किधर है देखो अभी?
मैं
हम्म,
बॉम्बे।
किसको पकड़ा हुआ है अभी तक?
किसको पकड़ के रखा है अभी तक?
सबको छोड़ दिया, किसी को पकड़ के नहीं रखा है।
अनिल कुमार एसके, रोल नंबर 1।
Wait.
अरे
रोल नंबर 1 लेट आ रहा है।
वेलकम।
Wait.
अनिल का नंबर 1 था क्या रोल नंबर?
रोल नंबर 1 वेट करने के लिए बोले हैं।
Hi everyone.
हाय
Hello.
कुमार एसके।
I can see only Kumar Abhishek.
हैं?
Because you have joined through mobile, I think, huh?
वो तभी तो मूव कर रहा है हाथ में लेके,
हाँ।
लैपटॉप लेके मूव नहीं कर रहा होता।
Gallery. Hi
हाय
Devashish,
Hello.
ओ नवीन कुमार।
Mohit, Devashish. Hi Mohit.
हाय
Hi Sanju Baba.
हेलो।
How are you all?
गुड यार, ग्रेट। ओ नवीन कुमार, आसमान की ऊंचाइयों से।
Nabi. Whoa.
अनिल सर, नमस्कार।
Hey, Naveen, you
Naveen
have
in
joined,
full Frenchy.
you have joined a
अरे
church or what?
नवीन,
Hi Arun.
हाय।
क्या बैकग्राउंड क्यों चेंज कर दिया यार?
अच्छा लग रहा है भाई, आसमान की
कहाँ पे है तू? कहाँ पे है?
नवीन नॉर्दर्न लाइट के नीचे बैठा हुआ है।
नवीन है कहाँ पे?
नवीन चर्च में है
Forest.
अभी
Okay.
देख।
It's forest.
Hi
अरुण आ
Santosh.
गया।
Hi, Anil.
ओह माय गॉड, देखो संतोष भी आ
Hi, Debu.
Hello. Hi.
Anil.
Oh,
Hello. How are you guys doing?
गुड।
Hi, Santosh. Superb, Santosh.
Nice seeing you all.
ग्रेट यार, ग्रेट।
Same here.
लॉन्ग टाइम। हाँ,
Oh,
लॉन्ग
it's a very
टाइम।
long time.
After
21
long
years.
time.
good. So if you can make it, then Rennie should also be, huh?
Rennie will be.
I think he should. I thought he said he is.
Yes, he will be.
What about Bhaskar Das?
Vaskar Das,
No. Naveen, in space, is he in space or what?
yeah, Naveen is always in
Out of
space,
the world.
exploring from above.
This is seventh cloud, huh?
Yeah.
Not space.
Maybe you.
I can make out from his
people are far away
Frenchy,
from us. No?
Frenchy beard. Naveen.
He's
What is
faster
that,
than me right now.
Naveen, you're like 21 light years away or what?
Yeah. No, I'm 21 years forward now. So maybe I'm in 2000.
All right.
Hey, increase your antenna.
Santosh, I remember every
His
time when I
antenna.
Right. Don't go too far. We're losing your reception. Don't go too far.
Okay.
Or release your satellite. Naveen.
No, he'll raise his antenna now.
No. You release one satellite. We are not getting your connections.
Yeah, send them out, Naveen. Just shoot some rocket satellites. To all
I'll
areas.
do that. I'll do that now.
Hey, I can see a blink. Satellite एक launch हुआ.
और बाकी
So
तो कहाँ है
somebody
ये गैलेक्सी कौन है? गैलेक्सी M11
M11.
कौन है ये?
Okay, there is another
relative
Naveen's
relative.
in association with Naveen.
He is invisible. Okay.
Koteshwar Prasad. Who is it?
Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Somebody is teasing you. Galaxy डाल के छोड़ दिया है नवीन.
वो चेंज करने का कोशिश कर रहा है ना.
I'll change.
अरे ये कौन आ गया?
पीछे कौन है? पीछे कौन है? नवीन.
नवीन के पीछे
नवीन.
Oh, this is my friend. My childhood friend. She is Dr. Rupashri. Actually, we are partying today.
Yes, let's go party and yes, come here, guys. How much he misses you all.
Good.
देखो dear. She is my childhood friend.
Good.
So actually, okay, sure. Yeah, welcome. Actually, we were partying tonight, so
Good.
joined.
She just wanted to check you are really joining a party.
That's true.
Anil, you're maintaining social distancing, right? They are in the party.
Of course, yeah, of course.
You saw one social distancing just happened right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, now that's exceptional.
You're going away from
And that distance my wife doesn't know.
Hey, actually, problem is what now? See, problem is some people are enjoying after leaving college and getting married. Okay.
Of course, you can really enjoy only after leaving college.
So Anil is part of that life. Okay.
Anil, where is your city mate here, Koteshwar Prasad?
I'll call him.
एक और महापुरुष है कोटेश्वर प्रभु कहाँ है?
I may call करता हूँ.
नहीं कहाँ है? Where is he? I thought he would have joined today.
Devashish, you are in Mumbai, alva?
Right, Galaxy.
Mumbai. Who is Galaxy?
Galaxy is Naveen.
No, it's not Naveen.
Naveen's relative.
Someone is giving us a surprise, I feel.
Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Hello.
Where is?
राजा, ये गैलेक्सी, ये M11 क्या है भाई?
नवीन के लिए मतलब
राजा थोड़ा लाइट के डायरेक्शन में घूम जाओ. Little dark.
ಹೌದಾ ಸರಿ.
How many people there?
Arun,
you know what you need to do, right?
Start clicking.
I'll do that.
What is supposed to do?
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Take care.
Nothing. राजा तू किधर जा रहा है?
संजय
सबको बोल.
अरे प्रॉब्लम है घर में बहुत तो है ना तेरे को पता रहा था ना
वो कहीं बाहर ही है वो.
अरे लेके अरे सबका यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं ना सबको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. तू लेके आ जा प्रॉब्लम कोई नहीं.
हमको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. थोड़ा नहीं हमको बहुत.
अरे ये कौन है? अनिल है क्या?
अनिल.
अरे वाह पहचान गया तेरे को.
Oh, thank you भाई.
Actually, Anil has put on just a little bit of weight.
Not little bit. Too much. I'm weighing 73. No, obese.
Obese by heart.
I'm obese.
Same. Santosh
looks the same.
Santosh is same as Devan in college.
Devashish same.
Devan in college. Devashish same. Mohit is same.
Abhishek same. Sanjay Baba has put up.
Abhishek has changed.
Kundu is evergreen anyway.
Evergreen.
He's not going to change anyway. Naveen, as a matter of fact,
अरुण कैसे है? अरुण
मेरा तो अपना चल रहा है भाई.
Arun looks the same.
तेरा भी तो चेंज नहीं हुआ ना?
With the same
कैसे था
glass.
ऐसे?
मेरा ज्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ.
वही तो.
Arun, I remember you used to keep beard, right? Before college days, no?
Never.
No. But he only used to specs that he is still keeping.
ಹೌದು. Where will the specs go? That is permanent fixture now.
Sex might go, but specs won't go.
Sex also can be managed.
अरे अनिल कुमार काफी चेंज हो गया है. रोल नंबर 1.
हाँ?
रोल नंबर 1 है बस. बस हम रोल नंबर में 1 है बस. बाकी सब में डाउन है.
किसने बोला?
सुन छोड़ वो सब छोड़.
अभी से क्या खबर?
Already, I'm already 2 pecs down, boys.
Oh, good, yeah. Good.
Only.
No, this just 9. This just 9:15, yaar.
I was about to say it's just
Party will go on till 2
where
a.m., 3 a.m.
No, but where are you?
Anil never spoke
Where are you
so much in
partying?
college. Okay.
I'm at my home only.
Never spoke in Viva. Never spoke
this
in
is
front
my
of.
home. This is my indoor garden.
But where are you?
My party house is there upstairs. Mysuru.
Oh, you are in
Mysore.
Mysore. Okay.
Yeah, I put up in Mysore only.
Oh,
I'm
good,
running
yeah.
my business, surgical distribution. Yeah.
Oh,
So
good.
earlier I used to work for Dr. Reddy's.
So Anil, that
For 10 years I
explains.
worked for marketing.
Anil,
So
that
after 10 years I left marketing and I opened my own business. So
Okay.
I'm authorized distribution for
Anil,
10 plus companies.
Anil,
So surgical distribution wholesale.
Anil, that
Yeah, tell me.
explains you have to oblige doctors as well.
Yeah, of course.
How many doctors are inside?
So your party is explained now.
But I thought it was more B2B, no? Business to business, hospitals and all that.
Sorry?
Your business must be mostly with hospitals, no?
Only hospitals. I cater to only hospitals. Yeah, only hospitals. That's it.
But if
No
doctor
medical stores. Only
recommends-
hospitals.
Yeah,
Except
yeah.
pharmacies.
So you need doctor.
No, she is my.
No,
No,
need not to
only
explain, she's your
purchase
childhood
in
friend of
charge.
yours.
And if a doctor is the owner of the hospital, I need recommendation. Otherwise, I
Yeah.
don't need. Only
Hey,
purchase.
You need not to explain, Anil. We got it.
You are clever, boy. आप तो कब से clever हो? You'll come to know everything.
अनिल
अभी भी कोई कम नहीं है, वैसे साइंटिस्ट है वो.
पिछले 22 साल से मैं फार्मास्यूटिकल सेल्स में ही हूँ यार.
हाँ.
इसको एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं है अलवा.
These are all self-explanatory. So
अलवा है ना. हाँ. फिर
रहने दे.
क्यों पूछ रहे? वही this question arising here.
Exactly.
I don't understand. हाँ. मैं पूरा जो चढ़ा था सब उतर गया आपके क्वेश्चन से.
Santosh.
How many are drinking? How many are having a drink?
Right now?
I just finished one.
Right now.
No, yeah. It's
Wherever the night is young, I think that's where it's happening.
Yeah.
Early. It's a noon.
Santosh, what are you doing now exactly?
So I actually mostly in data analytics. So I'm a scientist here. So kind of work in pharmacogenomics, precision medicine.
Wow, nice to know. Nice to hear.
Oh, good, correct.
So when are you back in India? After vaccine?
I actually wanted to be there this summer, but then Corona kind of changed the plans. Hopefully, sometime next year, things get better and yeah.
So Santosh, you did your post graduation in some stream or something?
So I did my PhD in bioinformatics.
Okay.
So
good.
Yeah.
When you said genome, I recollected I did some of the things while I was doing my biotechnology.
Okay.
I did
So
my
yeah, go ahead.
I did my post graduation in biotechnology.
Okay.
Even during college days, Santosh used to do 2 courses. One was BPharm, the other one was at NIIT computer science, right?
Yeah, so that's
group of.
that's
I mean that.
Oh,
Hi, Surender.
Surender.
right. Yeah, so that's
जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार नमस्कार, क्या हाल चाल?
Namaskar. How are you, Surinder?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good,
शर्मा
good.
जी क्या हाल चाल?
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you after a long time.
Good, yeah. This is so nice.
Hi,
Getting
Surit.
together like.
अरे सुरेंद्र
Yeah.
को पाय लागू बोलना पड़ेगा सुरेंद्र सर।
काय को यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो सब खत्म हो गया सर्वर कॉलेज में।
सुरेश
I still remember.
Welcome, Suresh.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
Suresh, welcome.
Hey,
Hi,
दादा। हेलो।
नमस्कार अन्ना। नमस्कार।
नवीन तो पूरा मुझे लग रहा है पीछे अर्थ लेके बैठा हुआ है पूरा।
नहीं अभी स्पेस पे चले गया सुरेंद्र।
डॉक्टर साहब, डॉक्टर इज कमिंग आउट।
अरविंद
हाय मंडल।
अरे डॉक्टर।
Hello.
क्या दादा?
कौन यार? सुधीर, हाउ आर यू?
अबे सब लोग है यहाँ पे।
सुधीर नहीं है भाई, सुधीर अभी तक
सुधीर का सुधीर किधर है?
अरविंद
बाबू।
और देख तुम पूछ रहा था ना कौन पिया हुआ है, एक एग्जांपल।
अरे मोहित
ये दिख रहा है।
ये तो डॉक्टर तो रिया चक्रवर्ती का भाई लग रहा है।
अरे भाई यही है, आपको उम्र हो गया भाई।
हाँ भी डॉक्टर। हाँ बोलो अरविंदा, क्या बोल रहे हो?
अनिल
क्या हाल चाल?
मन्ना बंदा
बढ़िया
ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ।
हेलो
अनिल कुमार।
रोल नंबर 1 ध्रुवो।
डॉक्टर तो फोन नहीं उठाते हो। तुमको फोन करते हैं तो फोन नहीं उठाते डॉक्टर तुम।
अरे उस दिन मैं एक मीटिंग में था, फोन नहीं उठा पाया, सॉरी।
तो रिवर्ट बैक तो कर कम से कम, मतलब कुछ तो मैसेज तो डाल दे।
कान पकड़ लिया।
अच्छा बिंदु
सुधरा नहीं अभी तक भी।
अच्छा बिंदु एक बात बता बिंदु, तेरा आज मीटिंग बिंदु तेरा मीटिंग होने वाला था ना? बिंदु तेरा मीटिंग था ना 9 बजे, क्या हुआ?
मीटिंग बंक कर
अरे
दिया।
यार तू बिंदु मत बोल यार। मैं गया बिंदु किधर है?
हाय सुरेश। जागेगा सुरेश, जागेंगे ना?
हाँ क्या अनिल यार, क्या कर रहे हो यार?
क्या कर सकता हूँ?
सुरेश has not lost his charm.
नहीं बिंदु का नाम सुनते ही अनिल का आवाज निकला बाहर है।
अनिल का
नाम देखना, तेरा चेहरा इतना फूल गया।
ओके
ये नवीन तो बैंगलोर छोड़ के स्पेस में चला गया। बैंगलोर आता हूँ तो नहीं मिलता है।
आज स्पेस में आजा सुधीर।
आएंगे अभी तक में एसपी बालसुब्रमण्यम गया है, बाद में हम आएंगे।
नवीन ने वो अपना देखो बियर्ड और मुस्टैच भी ऐसा रखा है, टिपिकल वो लग रहा है साइंटिस्ट कि बिल्कुल अभी कुछ डेटा
साइंटिस्ट तो नहीं बना, ऐसे तो दिखा देंगे ना।
दिखावट खाली।
बचपन में आता ना, कॉमिक्स आता था, उसमें बंदा रहता था साइंटिस्ट।
2 minutes up, I'll take a break.
क्या
संजय कहाँ गया?
संजय कोई फोन आया होगा।
अरविंद अभी साइंटिस्ट लग रहा है भाई।
हाँ अरविंद तो बड़ा रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट बन गया है।
फ्रेंच बियर्ड।
Only Santosh is a student here.
Santosh is still a
looks
student.
Same as he was in college.
I think now Anil. Santosh looks like he's coming to the first day of the college and sitting in front of Madhavan. Okay.
फिलिप्स ने बहुत मेंटेन करके रखा हुआ है।
क्या मेंटेन कर रहा है?
वो तो वही बताएगा क्या मेंटेन कर रहा है वो।
घर वाली बाहर वाली क्या मेंटेन कर रहा है?
क्या मेंटेन करना है यार?
सुरेंद्र दादा।
अनिल को
सुरेश तुम बताओ क्या हाल चाल है?
बस ठीक है यार, कैसे चल रहा है?
बस यार फर्स्ट क्लास।
बड़े सालों के बाद बात चल रहा है हमारा।
हाँ देख लो, टाइम वाइम तो रहता नहीं है किसी के पास।
सही है नहीं, संजय दादा को थैंक्स बोलना पड़ेगा, अभिषेक दादा।
बिल्कुल और क्या।
एक टाइम निकालना पड़ता है यार, किसी के पास टाइम नहीं
वो तो सही है। ट्रू।
संजय जो है अपने गाने सुना के हमको टॉर्चर करता रहता है, तो आज बोले कि चलो फेस टू फेस बात कर ले।
हाँ, बात कर ले, गाना मत सुना।
आपके साथ फेस टू फेस तो पहले ही बात हो चुका है यार।
संजय कोविड-19।
हाँ
अभी मिले ना संजय से तो मिला
कोविड-19।
संजय, रजनीकांत और श्रीधर राव और मैं तो अभी मिले थे जनवरी में।
जनवरी में था। वेरी गुड।
हैदराबाद आए थे बट आई कुड नॉट मीट यू पीपल।
अरे तुमको ट्राई किया मोहित काफी, पर तुम्हारा शायद हो नहीं पाया।
तुमको ट्राई किया गया था।
अभी तो कुछ भी बोलो, मैं हाँ ही बोलूंगा। हाँ, ट्राई किया था।
नहीं यार, मैंने मैं एयरपोर्ट पे उतरते ही संजय को फोन किया था, उससे तुम्हारा नंबर लेके बहुत बार फोन मिलाया तुमको।
मेरे को
पूरा चुपचाप बैठा है।
ग्रुप में फोटो डाला तब मेरे को मालूम पड़ा कि आप हैदराबाद आए थे।
अरविंद क्या खा रहे थे? पान खा रहे क्या?
अभिषेक को थोड़ा कुछ बात करो यार।
मैं सुन रहा हूँ यार।
अभिषेक
कोऑर्डिनेटर
अभी भी सुन रहा है यार अभिषेक।
इतना कुछ बोलता है।
कॉलेज में भी सुनता था, अभी भी सुनता है।
वही अभी भी सुन रहा है।
रजनीकांत, ये जो बोलता था रजनीकांत।
मोहित क्या पी रहे हो भाई? कॉफी पी रहे हो क्या?
ये सिर्फ कॉफी है।
अरे यार, ये कॉफी पीने के वक्त है क्या?
नहीं, कॉफी पीने का नहीं, मेरा वो कॉफी वाला ही वक्त चल रहा है।
अभी भी
तो सुरेश
अभी भी
अभी
भी दूध पीने वाला बच्चा।
नहीं, अभी मेरे दिन आएंगे। अभी थोड़ा सा मैं हाइबरनेशन काइंड ऑफ।
ओह ओके।
Anil has changed a lot.
कहाँ पे है तू?
Anil has changed a lot. After he went to Mysore, he has changed a lot.
चेंज ए लॉट क्या? हम हालात बदल दिए हमको, हम नहीं बदले।
क्यों बाहर वाली घर वाली को पता चल गया क्या?
तुम भी इसी चक्कर में हो। मैं सोचा सिर्फ नवीन चक्कर में है।
नवीन तो जब से रश्मि बंद होगी बात करना तब से छोड़ दिया। और वो रजना जो थी वो कॉलेज छोड़ के चले यार। नवीन, रजना किधर है यार?
रजना क्या?
रजना यार,
बोल रही थी सुरेश के साथ। नहीं, वो बोल रही थी सुरेश के साथ हो।
यार इधर
चुपचाप बैठा है भाई।
Where is sound coming from?
दीक्षा कौन है?
अरुण,
ये दीक्षा
क्या हाल चाल?
अब तो ठीक है।
अरुण बाबा,
दीक्षा कौन है?
कौन है यार? हमारे में दीक्षा तो कोई
नहीं हुई। दीक्षा
कोई दूसरा
ऐसा कोई लड़की को तो देखा नहीं था यार।
देखा भी नहीं, सुना भी नहीं।
सब एक ही जगह कंसंट्रेट कर रहा है। पूरा ग्रुप एक ही जगह
बाहर आई है।
ये जो है ना पूरा का पूरा सुरेश का स्टाइल है पुराना। ये सबसे हरामी सुरेश इधर हम सब में। ये बड़ा शरीफ बन के
हरामी सुरेश सही बोला।
अबे अनिल, तू मार खाएगा। मैं सुरा के मारूंगा तुझे।
शरीफ बन के सारा का सारा लड्डू इसने लूट लिया।
आओ तो कौन किसको मारेगा?
यार सुरेंद्र, मुझे तो लड्डू पसंद नहीं है यार।
उसने पूरा
चल जो भी पसंद है वही खाया तुमने।
चील खाया।
अनिल, अभी थोड़ा सा चिकन मटन चल रहा है क्या? अनिल,
थोड़ा सा क्या यार, उसका तो रोज का मामला है वो।
ऐसा रोज का मामला है।
हाँ, एक हाथ में स्कॉच, एक हाथ में चिकन।
अच्छा अनिल, ये तुम्हारा तंदुरुस्ती का राज है।
अनिल तो अभी मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो गया है अभी।
अच्छा,
360 भी चेंज हो गया अनिल में।
थोड़े देर पहले झलक दिखाया।
अच्छा,
झलक दिखा।
फोटो लिया?
She is my childhood friend from grade 6.
मैं लिया हूँ।
नो
आपने
प्रॉब्लम।
कुछ बोला क्या?
हमने कुछ बोला था? कुछ भी नहीं बोला, कुछ भी नहीं बोला।
नहीं बोला।
बस
Wait, let me. We were partying
संजय
tonight.
फोटो लिया
So,
हूँ।
I didn't want to disappoint you
देखो अभी
guys. I joined. See,
अभी
party is
पार्टिंग
still
का
on.
बात आया।
I'll show. I'll
सो
show people.
संजय फोटो लिया हूँ ऑलरेडी, कैप्चर हो गया।
Oh, photo लिया तुमने?
कल
हाँ
कल
दिखा दे यार हमको भी। हाँ
कल न्यूज चैनल में आएगा।
संतोष, how are you?
Party is on.
ए रुको यार दादा अरविंद, रुको पार्टी दिखा रहे, देखते हैं
अच्छा
पार्टी।
पार्टी दिखाओ।
हाँ अनिल पार्टी दिखाओ।
पार्टी दिखाएंगे बोलकर किधर भाग गया ये?
अरे ऑनलाइन का देखिए अभी फोटो स्टील हो गया।
अरे यार
अरे सब कुछ तुमको थोड़ी ना बता देगा, वो तो वहाँ पे आया हुआ है, किसी के साथ में आया हुआ है, अकेला थोड़ी है।
हाँ
अभी तो उम्र है, वो तो जाने वाला उम्र है, अभी किसको बुलाएगा वे?
अरे यार अनिल तेरा वीडियो ही बंद करके दिए, मेरा वही बोल रहा है बाहर वाली को दिखा के।
तुम उसको इतना छेड़ा कि वो वीडियो बंद करके चला गया।
दीक्षा तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है क्या अनिल?
अरे यार दीक्षा कौन मालूम नहीं, अभी नया मत जोड़ा अभी मेरा लिस्ट में।
अच्छा दिखाओ अभी वीडियो दिखाओ।
जस्ट केम डाउन।
देखो ऐसे ही। हाँ आपका वाइफ का फोटो तो देखा हूँ इसीलिए। हाँ फोटो
दिखाया ना यार, इसलिए बोला कुछ
दिखाया तो
मेरा वाइफ।
वीडियो बंद करके ये मेरा वाइफ बोल रहा है तू।
अरे भाई वहाँ पर उसको बुला लेता पार्टी में।
Poor fellow made the mistake of having 2 drinks and joining on this call.
See.
Let me see.
डॉक्टर अरुण साहब क्या चल रहा है?
Regularly सर जो भी चल रहा है।
Very good.
I hear a lot of noise.
Yeah. It is from Anil only.
Where is that coming from?
All his external kids.
Good. Junior doctor is there.
Junior doctor is there. Yes.
Who is the Diksha? Still I can't make out.
JR is there.
अरविंदा बेटा।
हाँ और एक बेटा बोला था, जा तो भैया बोला।
हाँ
1 मिनट, मेरा 3 बेटा है, मैं एक बार
3 बेटा। वो कंग्रेट्स मैन, कंग्रेट्स।
Congratulations दादा।
सब्सिडी इसका सब्सिडी चला जाएगा।
अभी अरविंद रोल कॉल कर रहा है।
ए दादा अरविंद दादा तीनों एक ही वाइफ का है?
गुड क्वेश्चन।
अभी ये क्वेश्चन किसका था?
आराम आदमी से आता।
Suresh, you should not have trained him like this.
क्यों?
किसी ने ये
अरे वाह
पता है कि होने वाला है।
हाय
हेलो।
वो बड़ा है तो बहुत बड़ा है रे।
हाँ ये तो अरविंद से बड़ा हो गया।
हाँ अरविंद से बड़ा है। वेरी गुड।
अभिषेक बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है यार।
कहाँ से भाई? मैं तो आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे।
यार अभिषेक ही भाग गया यार।
अरे सुरेश मेरे को क्या लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है इन सबका सेटिंग है सुरेश। ये साले टाइम टू टाइम दारू लगा के हमारा बहाना लेके इधर जा रहे हैं।
हाँ वही तो।
Hi Reni, how are you?
Reni has come. Hi Reni. Hi.
Hello Reni दादा। എന്താ മോളെ സുഖമാണോ?
Hi.
Hi. Anil.
बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं आ रहा बहुत ज्यादा।
ये शायद अनिल का ही डिस्टर्बेंस है यार।
पार्टी का
ए नहीं है यार, I came down. Party is at terrace, okay?
अबे यार तू सब बच्चे आ गए ना तेरे रास्ते में जो है।
मेरा नहीं है ये वॉइस, ये नॉइस मेरा नहीं है।
नहीं तेरा ही बच्चे लोग है यार पूरा।
ए कमान यार, मेरा एक ही बच्ची है बस।
नहीं ये दूसरे का बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बाहर वाले।
एक वहाँ
ये सब मिस्टेक कभी नहीं करता मैं।
वहाँ ऐसा आवाज नहीं आएगा यार।
तू
वहाँ ऐसा
बाहर
वाइफ
वाली
को बच्ची बोल रहा है तू।
बाहर वाली का बच्ची कभी ऐसा मिस्टेक कभी नहीं
अरे
करता।
पे वहाँ ऐसा आवाज नहीं आएगा यार, क्यों?
अरे हम
वाइफ को बच्ची बोल रहा है यार वो।
सुरेश सिर्फ जो है मुंह से बोलने का रखा हुआ है। अनिल, ये तुम और कहीं से आवाज मत निकालो यार।
हाँ
देखो आया अभी, शी इज माय वाइफ।
अच्छा, उस दिन जो दिखाया था वो कौन है? Who is that Anil?
तुमने अभी तक किसी और से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था।
देखो, हेलो हेलो।
डॉक्टर, तुम तो पूरे डॉक्टर लग रहे हो यार।
हाँ पूरा
कुछ करते क्यों नहीं हो तुम?
क्या करूं?
ओके
चीयर्स गाइस, चीयर्स
चीयर्स चीयर्स चीयर्स।
ये गलत बात है, ये गलत बात है नहीं, ये गलत बात है।
एक गलत बात है। आओ
और देख एक दूसरा भी वहाँ पे
सुपरस्टार हैज कम, सुपरस्टार हैज कम, सुपरस्टार।
कनेक्शन का प्रॉब्लम है।
सुचिता
is coming.
also joined. Suchita has joined.
रजनीकांत,
रजनीकांत भी आ रहा है।
रजनीकांत
आ रहा है।
रजनीकांत
गुड टू सी सो मेनी। ये अच्छा टाइमिंग है सैटरडे।
ए यार रजनीकांत, एक लुंगी डांस करके दिखाओ यार।
देखो क्यों भगा रहा है।
सुरेश ಯಾವ
ಓ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು ಹೋದೆ, ಯಾರು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರಪ್ಪ ನೀನು.
ಹೇಳು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಐ
ಯಾರ್
ಕಮಿಂಗ್, nobody bothered to me. I put in the group also.
Actually I was not active in that group.
See, I asked Mr. Naveen the organ damage.
ನವೀನ್ ನಾನೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು।
ए यार तुम हिंदी में बोलो ना यार। अरे हिंदी में बोलो या इंग्लिश में बोलो।
नहीं, अनिल पूछ रहा है कब मिलेंगे। मैं दिसंबर में आया था, कोई नहीं मिला।
ये नवीन ना जब भी मैं बेंगलोर जाता हूँ बोलता है फोन ही नहीं उठाता।
हाँ सही है।
नवीन का मत बोल, नवीन का ना क्या
बोल, अभी फोन में बोलता है बेंगलोर आओ तो मिलो। जब बेंगलोर जाता हूँ फोन ही नहीं उठाता।
इसीलिए बात जाके स्पेस में बैठा।
कैसा है भाई?
रजनीकांत,
अरे फिलिप्स को भी तो बोलने दो यार, वो तो चुप ही बैठा हुआ है। कॉलेज में भी चुप ही रहता था।
अरे वो एग्जाम के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
हाय सुचिता।
Naveen, Bangalore is
Hi Sushi.
Hi,
how are you all?
All good.
Everybody.
Hi.
Hello Sushi.
Hi Sushita.
Sugaman.
Oh my goodness, who was that?
Who else can
Malayalam?
Who else?
Oh my
Who
goodness.
else can speak Malayalam, Tamil,
No,
Telugu,
no way, I can't
Bengali,
recognize anybody.
Bengali, Bihari, everything only he can speak.
Sushita, can
Only
you
speaking
recognize
Anil, no
everyone?
use.
I can't see anybody.
आप एक एक
You
करके
forgot
देखो।
all our faces now, huh?
So she's on mobile.
Oh, hi, Umesh.
Umesh,
Micro labs.
अल्ले नहीं रहता। माइक्रोलैब में नहीं लिखा।
Oh, Umesh. Oh, Umesh. Oh,
Hi
Umesh.
everyone.
Hi, Umesh.
Hey Anil. Very careful.
रजनीकांत कैसा है भाई?
ठीक है।
Surinder.
हाय उमेश, हाउ आर यू?
Good man.
Hi Umesh, how are you?
Good Sanjay. Good. Abhishek. Devashish. Wow man.
Hi, Rajini. Hi.
Hi. Everyone is hi. Good evening.
हाय रजनीकांत, क्या हाल है तेरे?
Suresh, Reni. Wow.
फिलिप्स को बोलने दो यार, अब कुछ नहीं बोलने दो।
फिलिप्स चुपचाप बैठा यार।
It's good. So many tonight.
ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है? अनिल म्यूट कर रहे
मेरा नहीं है भाई।
वो आवाज तो नवीन से आ रहा है। कई स्पेस में कोई चल रहा है।
हो गया।
क्या हुआ नवीन? स्पेस से वापस आ गया।
स्पेस से वापस आ गया यार।
नवीन has come to reality.
नवीन क्या लग रहा है तेरे को रे भाई?
सब लोग एक बार म्यूट करके देखो कितना यार।
अभिषेक बहुत डिस्टरबेंस है यार।
कहीं से कुछ आवाज आ रहा है।
हाँ
अभिषेक म्यूट एवरीवन फर्स्ट।
या सब लोग म्यूट हो जाएंगे। लेट्स सी।
सबको म्यूट कर दो।
हाँ अब एक एक करके खोलना जो बोलना चाहेगा।
मेरा नहीं है।
मालूम पड़ जाएगा किसका सिस्टम बुरा चल रहा है।
आप देख लो, इसका मतलब अभिषेक का ही काम है ये।
नॉट ऑफिशियल कॉन्फ्रेंस।
अरे मैंने अपने आप को म्यूट नहीं किया अभी तक।
तो कैसे बात कर रहे हैं?
ए सुरेंद्र तू क्या बोला यार? एक एक करके खोलना क्या?
अभी क्या तुझे बताऊं? अब सुन सुरेश, ऐसा है ना, अपन बाद में बात करते हैं। अभी सुशीता लाइन पे है।
ऑफलाइन डिस्कशन करेंगे।
सुशीता लाइन पे है।
Sushi, can you recognize everyone?
Of course I know everyone. What do you mean?
No, tell the names. Let's see.
एक एक करके नाम बोलो। क्लास आती थी।
All of your names are written in the screen itself. Anil, Santosh, Naveen, Arun.
Remember everybody.
As per roll number बोलो।
अरे बाबा, name is visible on the screen यार।
Yeah, exactly.
Whoever does not know their name, Canadian Dry.
कनाडा ड्राई क्या यार? सुबह सुबह क्या पियेंगे? कॉफी पिया अभी।
सुरेश तेरे पीछे तो ट्रम्प लगा हुआ है।
ट्रम्प तो पीछे पड़ा रहेगा। ये मेरा बैकयार्ड है।
तो फ्रंट साइड में लाना भाई।
और तेरा बैकयार्ड तो बहुत बड़ा है यार।
या नाइस।
तो सुरेश तेरा बैकयार्ड तो बहुत बड़ा है। थोड़ा मॉर्निंग जॉगिंग शुरू कर।
हाँ वही तो, सुबह इधर से इधर वॉक करेंगे।
ही इज फिटनेस फ्रीक मैन।
देखो
बैग इतना बढ़िया, फ्रंट पता नहीं कैसा है।
अरे सुनो सुरेश, ये तो कनाडा में तो क्या है, खाली जगह पड़ी है, जहां मर्जी बैकयार्ड बना लो। साला बेंगलोर में बना के दिखाओ अभी बैकयार्ड तब माने।
वो अनिल है ना, तो
मैं बेंगलोर में थोड़ी ना हूँ। आई एम इन मैसूर।
कॉम्पिटिशन नहीं कर सकते।
ये उमेश क्या जॉगिंग कर रहा है क्या?
उमेश तो किसी टाइप पे कुछ भी कर सकता है वो।
उमेश तो बहुत बिजी है, तो यू नो ही टाइम तो जॉगिंग कर रहा है।
आई एम एक्चुअली बिल्डिंग अ बास्केटबॉल स्टैंड।
सबको म्यूट करो फिर से।
ये उमेश के पीछे अभी भी माइक्रो लैब लिखा हुआ है, तो मतलब क्या कच्चा बनियान भी माइक्रो लैब का ही पहनता है?
नहीं यार, वो समझा है। नहीं, ये समझा है उसका। अभी ऑफिशियल मीटिंग है।
नहीं सॉरी गाइस, मैं ऑफिशियल आईडी से लॉग इन हो गया। मीनिंग एट दैट वन।
Guys, I'll take leave. Nice to catch up with all you guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll have to take care. Bye. My friends are waiting.
Anil,
hello, chalo, enjoy.
Cheers. Bye. Good
See,
night.
the one who will leave early has to arrange a bottle for everyone.
Yeah, sure. Anytime.
Including Sushita.
Yes, anytime.
Anil, send photos.
Any brand, anytime you fix up, I am there.
नहीं, you send.
We need you to fix up.
नहीं, Anil will send.
I'll fix up. Will you be able to come to India then?
अरे Anil,
will you come?
Yeah.
Anil, you pay through Paytm.
First you find out. Vaccine funded करो। COVID vaccine पर।
Anil, send photos and videos.
Anil, ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಊಟ ಇನ್ನು ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ midnight 12 o'clock tonight today.
Then it will be ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು. Good yaar. You still remember.
How are you, Rani?
Good, good. Hey, let's let everybody to
Bye.
talk. People are leaving. Mohit, everybody needs to talk. I mean, just say hi. You know, let's give everybody the chance to talk.
Yeah,
So,
really, I was waiting for somebody to ask me to talk because
yeah, Mohit.
enough of crowding is
Everybody
happening.
speak. Everybody say a few words. You know, others people are leaving. You know,
Let's
start
start
off.
with Santosh. Or let's go on the roll number wise, no? Then otherwise, who else next?
Others, if Sanjay wants to sing a song for us, let's start off with a song.
Not right now, yaar.
No, not right now, yaar. Not right now, yaar.
Okay. Our host start. Let's have something. Start agenda. Something. Everybody talk. You know.
Rennie, go
Everybody's
ahead.
talking.
Just let us know what you are up to and things like that. Then let's move around.
Let us start from Mohit. See, what we will do is we will all mute together and one will unmute and talk. Then again, ठीक है ऐसा
Mute
करेंगे.
everybody.
Abhishek, mute everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, let us start from Mohit.
क्या सुनना है अभिषेक?
अबे अपना कॉलेज में कोई भी एक यादगार बात बोल दे यार, सुना दे बस। पुराने दिनों की बात, अभी क्या कुछ पुराने दिनों की बात।
पुराने दिनों की बात।
कुछ भी जो याद आ रहा हो।
हम लोग we went to this Botanical Falls, right? और वो फॉल्स का I was trying to search out the pictures जहाँ पे हम लोग ने coracle ride लिया था और we enjoyed like anything. So I was trying to search out those pictures. I couldn't. If somebody has start posting those pictures here on WhatsApp group.
Okay, let me tell you, Kausar has those pictures.
Kausar already shared, I believe, couple of some time back. But coracle ride and the fall, those pictures are still missing. I tried a lot, but I couldn't find them. You are mute, Arun.
Just check with Kausar on the in the group itself. Maybe he will post.
So and he did not even join it last time, and today also he's not there. I don't know. Must be petrol का बिक्री रात में ज़्यादा होता है.
शायद.
क्या हो रहा है?
So you know what? I will just go ahead and say that it's great to see more people have joined this time, and it's actually good that we are having these interactions and things. It's good to see each and every person. Rennie, Santosh, Sushita managed to join this time and stay for this long. Debu, you joined this time. Last time you were not here. It's so nice to see you. Yeah. Rajnikant, last time also he was on mute. This time also he's on mute. Say something, man. Okay, and of course, Sanjay will only be singing something now.
Please don't ask me.
Nice
Don't ask me to
to actually see you. Karmakar. Well, what to say, man? It's such a nice thing to get everybody here. It's been such a long time, a good 25 years from the time we met each other. What a journey.
Yeah.
What a journey.
अरविंदा किधर है अभी?
अभी मैं अगरतला में हूँ. I'm in Agartala, hometown.
Okay. So very few are lucky enough to be in their hometown after the studies. Very few.
Yes.
You are one of them.
Yes. Arun, we can't hear you.
Yeah, you are working for a company, Aurobindo, or
Yeah. I'm working for company. I am in insurance sector.
Okay. Okay. So you're working for a company there in Agratala.
अरविंदा फार्मा वालों का इंश्योरेंस कर, सबसे ज्यादा जान उन्हीं की खतरे में है. पकड़.
Actually, for the long time, I am shifted from pharma to insurance since 2007 till date. I am here.
तभी तेरे 3 है. अभी समझ में आया.
Guys, I'll go next. Probably I have to leave also. Yeah. All of you, probably all of you know where I am now. I am in Mumbai and working for Nivea for last 7 years.
ये तुम्हारा खूबसूरती का राज है.
किसमें अभी देवाशीष?
I'm in Nivea and packaging development. Like I did packaging after pharmacy.
I know. Packaging development. We were connected for some time.
Correct. So was in Colgate for 7 years and Nivea 7 years. Quite long time. But I'm really happy actually today to see all of you and talk to you. Ramayya ka days mein, I remember initially the ragging period quite a lot. Quite impacted and GBR complex, Mohit, especially our
golden days,
yeah, standing in the queue for calls in the PCO and Mathikere mein, I think the bakery where we used to have that egg puff. That was one of my favorites.
I miss appam and chicken curry. Auntie ke shop ka. I could not get it afterwards.
अरे वो हैदराबाद में मिलता है रे.
नहीं, appam नहीं मिलता.
घर में बना ले.
YouTube.
और मुझे संतोष का बाइक याद है अभी भी. संतोष, your Royal Enfield, right? You are having?
Yes. I miss it. Yeah, it's gone. You know, it was there. It was hard to sell it, but unfortunately had to.
And Reni, do you remember Bhaskar ke sath GBR complex mein we were managing him after he was drunk like anything.
Bhaskar Das Bhaskar keeps in touch. He keeps calling every other day. He'll call in the evening. Yeah, he's doing very well. He's finished his double PhD and everything. So he calls. He's in Chicago. So when I had gone last year to Chicago, I met him there. So yeah, he's happy there, and it's a long journey for him from GB.
I think it's a long journey for everyone.
Yeah,
I think
for him, he was from there. He went to Australia. He finishes the postdoc, some doctorate, postdoc, and all this. Then he came here. He did postdoc, something honors. Now he's an assistant professor here at the university. So can you imagine Bhaskar being assistant professor at an American university?
Either he has become that good or the whole thing has gone down the drain.
No. People start studying him, rather he is studying further.
अरे सुनिए क्या ये?
मैडम वेलकम.
Welcome, Tony.
Welcome.
Oh, Tony.
Hi, Sony.
Oh my.
सोनी तू बहुत दुबली हो गई यार.
वो तो सही में ना.
हाँ भाई 100%.
I have worked very hard. Lockdown में पूरा.
Hi Dharmesh.
Hi Dharmesh.
Dharmesh, where's Dharmesh?
Dharmesh is there. Welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Hi Dharmesh.
Hi Dharmesh.
Dharmesh has changed his get-up a lot. Completely. I don't know if it's natural or forced one.
Danny.
Hi Dharmesh.
Danny Bhaiya.
I think he can't hear.
He is not yet connected.
But I think they were talking about missing a few people, right?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
are.
unfortunately, Renu, people who are active in WhatsApp group have not connected. People like Causes and all, they are quite good, quite active in WhatsApp group, but they have not joined in.
I don't know if they haven't got the message. I think message was very clear here. I mean, I don't know.
No, it's
And
not
any
about
news
the
from?
clarity of message. I don't think so.
I think we are missing our Sunil Babu Bhai Patel.
Sunil
Babu Bhai Patel is not there in the group also.
Yeah, he's not there.
Sunil and Nikunj both.
Nikunj.
See, there are few people who are absolutely untraceable. One is Sunil, another one is Seema, another one is
I think Sanjay, it's your phone, Sanjay, your headset.
No, it's not mine.
अरे तुम्हारा ही है.
Can you all hear me?
You need to sing a song.
No, not with that headset.
Guys, I am leaving.
Bye, Debu.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
All right.
Sony, how?
We have a few minutes more.
Actually, I had to just to attend.
Only your voice is getting echoed.
No, I don't think it is us. I think it's a problem with the line overall. It's happening. It's happening with me. I can hear myself.
I know, same thing here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dharmesh.
Dharmesh.
Hey, Rene. Can you hear me all?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Well, good to see you all.
Yeah, Dharmesh.
They say Surinder, Sanjay, Mohit, Naveen.
धर्मेश मुझे लगा कोई डीजे वीजे है.
I cannot hear you clearly.
Maybe I told you it's too heavy.
Mute all. Let a single person mute all.
Hey, Arbindo.
Hi, how are you?
Rani and Sujata, right? Sudhira. Sonny, how are you?
Hi. I'm fine.
So this is the third meeting we are doing, right?
No, this is second.
Oh, second one. Okay, good. Well, I'm 12 hours behind, 10.5 hours behind.
हाँ, हम लोग ऐसे भी हमेशा आगे ही थे.
Yeah. Rene, you in SF, right? San Francisco.
Yeah. So it's we're also behind. It's 9:30 morning here, Saturday.
Okay, and Santos is Indianapolis. It's gone. Okay, tell me, where is everyone? Abhishek, where are you?
Oh, I don't know what you're doing. Your city, Ahmedabad.
Where?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad, okay. Surinder, Delhi?
Surinder got banned from Delhi.
Okay. Mohit Bhaiya?
Hyderabad.
Okay. Arbindo?
Yeah, I'm in Agartala.
Okay. Arun Bhaiya?
Bangalore.
Oh, you still Bangalore, okay. Well, Naveen?
Naveen is in the space.
Well, okay. Sushita, where are you?
धर्मेश तेरे नाम के आगे डैनी लिखा क्यों आ रहा है?
That's what I go by, Danny. American name.
My God. Oh.
If I try to use my name, they will pronounce different. That's why.
For Dharmesh, you are a matlab true customer for Kesh King.
True customer what?
True customer for Kesh King oil.
No, not in Oklahoma. Not here. Give me 1 sec.
He has a big.
What was that?
मंगाया है उसको.
Kesh King.
I had to go get the chair.
Yeah, Kesh King oil is basically oil which brings back your hair. So he is a true customer for that.
I already have
Are you
hair,
the-
I just save it. I already have enough hair, but I save it off all the time. I don't keep them.
Guys, I will be
It's
back in a
not
moment. I'll be back in a moment.
It's not completely bald, no.
Now, I think next session we should have a SUTIX exam planned.
Nobody will attend, huh?
You won't believe it. I don't remember so many people on the group, on the class. When I see the pictures, I go, okay, this guy was in my class, this person was in my class, right? Like he wants to see that until I saw in the picture, I was like, okay, yeah, this dude, he was in the class, but never realized. But it's been 20 years now, right?
More than that.
A long time.
More than that, it's
Well,
close to 25.
99 we graduated, so.
धर्मेश भाई, सुरेश बोल रहा हूँ. I was on mute because I am driving.
Oh, Suresh in
You can't
Canada,
see
huh?
my video.
Okay,
क्या हाल है
you're in
धर्मेश
Canada.
भाई? बड़ा इंग्लिश बात कर रहे हो?
We have to talk, right? Otherwise we can't survive, right?
Holy moly! You are in Texas, right, Dharmesh?
No, I'm in Oklahoma.
Oh, Oklahoma, very good, excellent. I'll meet you when I
It's,
come there.
It's north of Texas.
North of
And
Texas, yes. Yeah.
just a 10 minutes from the airport. So if you do come in.
Definitely. I'll be coming to Texas soon.
Soon means when? Next year?
Next year. Waiting for COVID to settle down.
Right,
That
now
will give you
gonna
enough time.
Has anyone had COVID?
अरे यार नहीं यार. Touchwood.
Yeah, everyone had a COVID, and our immunity is so strong that we have developed the antibodies.
Now, better to ask Sanjay.
Hey,
He can
Surinder, they're
explain the
using you
full
for
part.
research, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Aaron, this is just sales talk.
Yeah, I mean, I was positive on the COVID, but I was now negative. Yeah.
Okay. Thank God it doesn't spread with talking on mobile. Otherwise,
Yeah, otherwise it would have been social distancing here also.
yeah, that's right, Sony.
Hello, Sony. How are you?
Fine, Suresh, how are you?
Doing good. Sorry, I'm not able to say I'm driving. Probably in a short while I'll reach home. Then I'll turn on the video again.
Come on, yaar, Suresh. My boss always says you should drive the business. I said, why should I drive? I am a driver. And you are saying that you are driving business.
I am driving business now, that's why.
So why you are driving? You should keep a driver.
I should keep a driver, but I can't afford, buddy. Not everybody is rich like you, Surendra.
Oh my God! But your backyard is so big. You should go for a morning walk now.
See, I was enjoying my backyard, and my boss told me something to get something. See, I just have to hop on.
Oh my God! Oh my
So
God!
Your boss
she
means
drives the business.
घर का boss, yeah?
Garga boss. She drives the business, and I am the driver.
Permanent
We
boss.
have some friends coming home in the evening, so wanted to get some chicken for barbecue. Before
अरे
it's
but
too
तो
late, so
सुरेश पर तू चिकन थोड़ी खाता था यार.
अब तो सब
खाता हूँ यार, क्यों नहीं?
हाँ?
नहीं पहले भी खाता था.
खाएगा नहीं, अब खिलाएगा ये.
अब तेरे को
शाम को पियेंगे.
बेल रोड के मंदिर में खड़ा करके पूरी पूजा अर्चना करानी पड़ेगी.
पूजा अर्चना छोड़ दिया यार. अभी
अच्छा,
शादी हो गया ना.
दोनों को छोड़ दिया.
हाँ शादी हो गया ना.
Oh my God! ये भी गलत है.
जैसे तू बोला था ना ऑफलाइन बात करेंगे हम. Now we also have Sony here. I don't want to talk about puja archana.
That's right. That's right. So we'll have we'll have some discussion after this.
हाँ, उसका Zoom meeting
After
अलग
this.
रखना. In that you say females not allowed.
Yeah, that's true.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
Anyway, दो ही females है, बाकी सब inactive है.
Yeah, come
Yeah,
on. Up to kya?
that's
Sony, what about Reshmi Sony? Any contact with her?
No, I haven't talked to her since long. Actually, I had called her up, but she didn't call me back and she didn't reply to my calls. So I thought she might be like didn't want to discuss anything or something like that.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
I was in touch, and there was a stage when she could not respond to chats without support. So that's
I
the reason
know.
why she's not on.
How is she now? Whether she is fine or because you were saying she could not means what?
She could not
She
respond
could
to
not,
chats.
matlab ki very
She can't
weak.
use the mobile. She can't
Yeah.
use a fitness.
Okay.
So because of that, and
She's
yeah, that's the
still
reason she is
undergoing
not
therapy,
on.
Arun?
Huh?
She is still undergoing therapy?
She underwent. So I don't think there is anything further. So,
Yeah, so-
I tried. I thought there was this person who was coming down, a very well-known scientist, specifically in oncology.
Mm-hmm.
Through a company. I did try to get in touch with him, but then he came here to meet Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. So obviously, other things are not entertained. So that did not work. The both of them are
Where
working.
is she right now?
She's here in Bangalore.
She's in Bangalore.
Where is Sanjay Nagar?
Acha.
Well, pass में ही है.
Uh-huh.
So I mean, obviously, she's also not looking for any sympathy and shit like that.
Yeah.
No, she's very strong. I
She's
talked
a
to
strong
her.
girl.
She's
Amazing.
I know.
So I don't think in my chats with her, and as a matter of fact, in between, she had reached out during the initial days of COVID. I think March or April. She wanted some contact for some distributors of masks at that time, and I put her across to a couple of folks that I know.
Okay.
I'm with the.
Is she stable now, Arun?
So she stopped talking even with me over the last 2 months, because see, what she told me is like, if she wants to respond to a message, she has to ask her daughter to type it. So that, like, I mean, come on, man.
Oh my God.
So I don't think we should even.
So what cancer she is having?
Initially, it was breast cancer, but I think it is spread.
Spread all over.
Oh.
So,
if you talk to her, Arun, we are not going to message, but our prayers, just let her know that we all.
I will convey that for sure. I don't know. I mean, I don't know whether she would respond, but at least let her know that class cares. I mean, let's not. It's not about taking names and things like that.
No.
Yeah, the thing is, she's been struggling for more than a year now.
More than that. More than that.
More than that.
Relapse.
Yeah.
She became okay. She was managing her business, and this came back. वो होता है, I think 5 years.
So I had a word with her close to almost, I say, 1.5 years back. And that time she said, like, I am recovering very fast and it's okay now. Then after that, almost 6 to 8 months after that, I tried again, but I could not get in touch with her.
So it was during that period only she took off from WhatsApp also.
Yes.
Yeah. It's very difficult,
She got. I mean, like, she came to know that she had it again. So.
Yeah.
And it's not an easy thing, no. Yeah. I mean, I've been seeing a whole lot of cases and patients myself.
Actually, she doesn't want to gain sympathy from anybody saying, okay, fine, we are sorry for listening about all those things and this and that. So it's like about things, at least like who know
But
me or
if we are
something like
not
that.
sympathy more,
No,
we can
we are
offer our
not.
prayers.
Sony, we do not want to
इसका नहीं
go.
sympathy का बात नहीं है, but like it's very tough, you know, talking to people whom you know.
That's fine, but we
And then
just want to know her.
I
Like,
know.
Yeah.
and anything else we can do for her.
That is
Only
the
that
that is
thing
the
we are interested. We are not here to give the sympathy.
I
We
know.
understand that sympathy at this condition is generally taken in a negative way.
Yeah.
So that's fine. But I talked to her. I asked her if you need any help, any kind of help at the doctor level or maybe medicine level, so I can help her. She said, no, it's fine. I'm getting fine. So, but after that, I could not able to get in touch with her.
I will give it a shot. I will update you guys. I don't know if she's going to talk to me also. Sabka, and it's not her fault. I mean, at this stage, there are mood swings, etc., etc. So it is not knowingly that one is doing it. So I mean, I will attempt once more, and I'll just see if she's
No,
okay.
if you
I will
talk
agree
to
to this.
Arun, if you talk to her, I mean, don't reach out just for this. You know, if you are talking to her at any point, just tell that we remember her, and our prayers are there for her. You know?
I will.
And for everybody, you know, we have to be there for each other. Because, even after 25 years, you know, looking at everybody, you know, it brings back, you know. It's not like we haven't been in touch for 25 years. A lot of things are going on in our lives. And we may all be sitting here. We have all different kinds of pains and issues and health problems. You know, we are not young anymore. So we just have to pray for each other. You know, just as a group, we need to be strong.
I agree. So, see, the most brilliant in this thing, this whole episode was Santosh. Sir, say something.
What to say? I came in and said many things in the starting, and just listening to all of you. So it's really good to see all of you here, and you know, just trying to relive, like, you know, by when you see everybody, you kind of like automatically start reliving some of the, you know, past. And I think it's really awesome. Yeah, I mean, I think it's good to see where all of us are, and you know, definitely some of
before we
I'm sure in one of our future meetings we'll get more participation.
Before we bring this to a close, right? I just wanted to check, what is the most likely time that you guys are going to be here in India? Reni, Santosh, Dharmesh.
I was planning to come to India in October, but I don't think now with all the things that's going on.
No, October, no, man.
Most unlikely.
No, earlier, before this COVID. I was in India in January.
Next year.
I was in India in January, this January.
Okay.
Yeah, last time when I came, our Sridhar Rao and Rajnikant came to Kerala last time when I was there.
Right.
So that was so this time I came, but October I was there. I wanted to come, but as soon as COVID situation gets better, so whenever that is, I think
then
probably
we will recheck. I guess we will take a rain check on this.
Right. Yeah.
Would like to get together. Yeah, we would like to get together, you know, physically. So I was imagining that there's a good likelihood, maybe June, July of next year. So if that is the case, maybe we could look at something on those lines. I understand that Bangalore people would like to come for the nostalgia of it, for sure. But then one Bangalore, and maybe after that, we can look at a couple of other places, including Goa.
See, Arun, what I say is like we need to start first. We need to start first because see, we need to start meeting. See, last time
who's talking Hyderabad के लोगों से तो मिलता नहीं है.
तू बात मत कर. तेरे से मैं ऑफलाइन
बात हो रही है यहाँ पे.
ऑफलाइन बात करता हूँ. तेरे से ऑफलाइन बात करता हूँ मैं.
अरे स्टार्टिंग मतलब स्टार्ट तो हो गई है. उस दिन 4 लोग थे, आज इतने लोग जुड़ गए.
Obviously, this is exactly what we were, you know, looking for. कि जितने ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे, we were looking at. I, Abhishek, Arun, we were like all talking कि you know, we want especially people who are staying outside India, we want them to join. And that's the reason we planned it at around 9-ish or something. So probably next year, this saal to forget it. I don't think there's any possibility. Next year, what time will be an ideal time for you guys? Because see, for us,
Sanjay,
it's too premature to start.
Exactly, but it's just a tentative. It's a tentative thing.
Hey, it's too premature to discuss this part.
Yeah, I agree.
100%, but you know, tentatively, whether it would be in the summer or in
Nahi
the
possible hai, Sanjay, because
you never know.
Sanjay, now this year, the only
as we get closer
or next year, the most important thing is to stay alive. So, so we have to, you know, nothing else matters. Stay alive, be safe, you know. Don't go outside unnecessarily, you know, all the safety practices, you know. We are not thinking about anything else. I'm not thinking about anything else. This is we have only one agenda, you know, be safe, you know.
Yeah.
So we cannot, when we had no COVID, we could have planned anything. Now we are at mercy of COVID. We cannot
the situation is still kind of uncertain, right? I mean, we don't know how it's going to change and things are kind of like fluctuating. So hopefully...
Oh, charging wire उनके घर पे रह गई, phone करना.
So that's what. Let's wait and watch and let's see like when we can plan. But for sure we are
Charging
going
wire.
to meet in person.
Phone की उसके बिना तो पंगु हो जाऊंगा.
A lot to talk. It's best like 1.5 hours is nothing, you know.
सुरेंद्र को mute करो.
Hey, chalo guys, I need to move on.
Same.
So Abhishek, 15 days. Let this meeting to happen every fortnight.
It's really cheerful moment for everyone. After 25 years, we all met together.
Yes.
So one request, let this kind of Zoom meeting happens once in a month or in a quarter, well, so that we can have cheers with everyone.
Fortnightly, Arvinda. Fortnightly, 15 days.
15 days once. 15 days.
Everybody can join, you know.
Ask Arvind what quarter is talking about.
I was about to say that, Sony.
See, the thing is that
I was about to say that, Sony.
Listen,
I was about to say the same thing. Even once in a month we meet, but we meet with a quarter.
So Abhishek, 15 days from today.
Yes, so we are giving you a target. Abhishek, it's a target. Make it happen, man.
100% will happen.
लेकिन इससे सुनिए, okay, listen, इससे एक बात ये,
ठीक है मोहित, carry on.
Bye.
Abhishek, you are recording this, no?
Yes, I am recording this.
You are recording the minute.
Yes. 10 minutes of meeting will be prepared.
और
I will send to everybody.
अभी तो दीदी के वहीं से निकले
एकदम
अभी निकले भी
मीटिंग है
नीचे आए
मतलब हाँ, इससे ये पता चलता है संजय कि हम कितने आदमी हैं.
Exactly. हमारे ये एमोन के पीछे तो हमारी पूरी दुनिया टिकी है.
साल बाद हमने बात करने का
चलो guys, you carry on. Catch you up after 15 days.
आज बोलता है
Bye, Sony.
Take care.
Bye.
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 Nice meeting you guys.
See you, sweet dreams.
Thank you. Same to you.
Umesha.
You're back.
Miss, you finished your jogging.
Umesh, unmute. Umesh, unmute.
Sorry, not yet finished. चल रहा है jogging.
Now he's slow walking.
Jogging करता है, दिन में क्या करता है? सोता है क्या?
Exactly. You're right.
Really? You're like me.
Need the body to recover, right?
Umesh is also driving the business.
Driving with the legs, huh?
Driving the business. Umesh.
Good guys. Happy to see you all.
Great. I'll tell you.
Happy to see you.
Yeah, good. Yeah, one thing is, sometimes when I see people like Santosh, people like Umesh, and I really envy them, yeah. How can you, maintain so well, yeah? You look at Santosh, man. Look at Santosh. It looks that he has just
they
come to
really
the
maintain
first
like myself.
Dude, yeah.
I'll just say the grace of God.
They really maintain like me.
Yeah, we have to especially mention you.
तू कर क्या रहा है? तेरा कुछ चल रहा है क्या?
I'm having idli, man. I'm having idli.
क्या बेटा इसका नाम मतलब यार बहुत हो गया यार.
Yeah.
You get idli in Agartala?
No, I prepare actually. Homemade idli. I like South Indian food, yeah.
Reni, now we have become pure South Indian. All rasam, sambar, idli, dosha, everything is, and that too all homemade.
I'm planning to prepare appam. Yeah, today I was going to that YouTube how to prepare appam because वो जो Kerala का जो एक दुकान था ना.
Right.
So all your partners are training you well. It looks like.
Pardon?
Anyway,
all your partners are training you well. You know how to do everything now.
Yes. Multi-talented.
Yeah. That absolutely learned it properly.
But अच्छा लगा यार आज. Really, that was really nice moment after 25 years.
And
eating that idli, or
25 years of being Dr. Saab.
हाँ बोलो. नहीं डिनर कर लिया भाई. चल.
But seriously speaking, man, I am dying to meet you guys in person. There are lots of things here to talk. ये 1.5 घंटे में 1.5 hours. It's absolutely it's a top time to talk. And that too without going something inside. Things will not come out. Santosh is lucky. I think I think Anil was lucky. What? Why?
Why
का क्या मतलब है? Why
they are lucky? Why you are unlucky and why they are lucky?
Santosh, please show them. Santosh. Santosh, show your glasses.
Oh, my glasses.
You don't get water.
So kind of unlucky. Only lucky. So just to get my glass of water. So I will vote and you are
sad. Anyway, but
I think many got it.
Okay, now I am also lucky now. I am also lucky.
No, not with water.
I am lucky.
Not with water. I still remember you guys pulling out basket from the car.
Hey, the last day of our college, before we came back from Bangalore, we went to Sanjay Dhaba. Can you recognize that night?
I missed it. Dhaba is a very good memory.
The most funniest part of that Sanjay Dhaba, I would like to say now. Murthy sir was there. And thing is that night we have done everything like boozing, smoking, everything. And Murthy was so shocked. Or man, आप लोग इतना पीते हो, आप लोग इतना फुर्चा मारते हो. That was really, his eyeballs were really like balls, man.
Oh, I don't even remember Murthy sir and all are there at Sanjay Dhaba.
Are you guys in touch with him? Are you guys in touch with him?
No.
Any Santosh?
Vaskar Das is in touch with him.
Guys, Murthy sir is really superb scientist as of today here in
Yes.
US, man. University of Missouri. He has been really achieving every single day with some or the other great achievements, man. I've seen his so many papers, what he published on LinkedIn, like transdermal patches and all those things.
Yeah.
No, I was in touch with him. I spoke to him, I think, almost a year back. Okay.
Yeah, same with me. I got in touch with him once or twice. So amazing.
Umesh, are you in New York still? You're in New York City?
Nearby New York, 1 hour far from New York, New Jersey, Princeton.
Princeton, okay. Oh. I was in New Jersey last year. I had come for a wedding. I was not sure whether you were there or not.
You should have catch up. I caught up with Dharmesh when he was here. He came down to New York City. So I caught up with him. I was attending some meeting and conferences. Just passed by through WhatsApp messages. We just thought that we both are in the same place in New York City.
Oh, okay. You talked to Vaskar Das?
No, man. Vaskar Das is very less when it comes to connectivity. I don't know.
I tried calling him. He did not respond here. Yesterday I tried calling him up. He did not respond.
No, it's something like trunk call or telegram. You have to leave a message whenever you get a chance. He will respond you. That's it.
It happened to like almost around 2-3 years back. I spoke to him. After that, I think more than 3 years. More than 3 years. I was in Kolkata that time. Yeah, more than 3 years.
More than 3 years, sir.
More than 3 years.
I spoke to Bhaskar Das around 2 months before, around in the month of May or June. June, I think.
But seriously, guys, I'm looking forward to meet you guys in person very badly.
Come to Agartala, meet with me, man.
How about we plan a meeting in Thailand?
Meeting in Thailand.
That's good, yeah. So let's meet in Thailand.
Let's meet in Thailand.
We can eat a lot of Thai.
I don't know, but all
only daytime meeting.
All
night no meeting. Only daytime meeting.
No, yeah. No. And no family, yeah.
Family?
Why? What are you intending to do there?
You want to lose your life or what?
No, bad. Okay.
No, but seriously, I was thinking, if we can make it first in Bangalore or in Goa or something, and we'll talk. There a lot of time. We'll talk. We'll discuss about all those. Okay.
अभिषेक का बीवी पूछ रहा है और कितना टाइम लगेगा तुमको?
मेरा तो डिनर भी हो गया.
तू खाता भी है गुड़? तू एक्टिव खाता ही है?
कौन मैं? मैं वही बोलते खा लेता हूँ यार.
Santosh, where are you right now?
So I'm in India.
Where?
Indiana Junction.
Yeah, the junction.
Where in Bangalore?
No, Indiana. US.
Acha, Indiana. Okay.
Yeah, India to Indiana. That's my journey.
India to Indiana.
Just added the A and A.
You play guitar still? Still you play guitar?
Actually, with COVID, I picked it up. It was almost like 20 years since I played, but COVID, I had some time.
Really what?
Started getting it back.
Maybe I was looking for my phone.
I was actually, I remember you're the California.
Yes. Lucky.
Yes.
Absolutely, that's
Lucky. Come.
The good old days.
That evening was the awesome evening, yeah.
Absolutely. That was awesome.
Come.
We need to recreate that, yeah. That's my whole point of getting people together was like to get see, today we know what we are doing. See, first meeting I knew that people will talk what they are, where they are, what they're doing, things like that.
Right.
Next meeting, I'm sure it's not going to be the same what we had today. It will be really a dirty one, really a dirty one, because now everybody knows each other, what they're doing, what they have, how they have reached where they are now. And trust me, like, main thing was like we wanted to take back to that particular memories. Hi.
Santosh uncle.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, beta. How are you?
Santosh uncle.
Remember me?
I don't really know.
We met more than a
Oh
year
yeah,
ago.
you don't know him. You haven't seen him before. It's the first time you're seeing him. His uncle is from Hyderabad. Studied with daddy. So daddy's friends.
This one.
You know this one? Your daddy?
And this one.
Okay.
And then I know this one. And
You
then
know.
I know this one.
Okay. So you know everybody. Okay, good.
Then I don't know who that.
Yeah, because he's not there.
Yeah, he is there, but he just doesn't have his camera on.
Okay. They know everything.
They are smart, man. They are smart. They know everything.
This generation.
They're watching TV in the morning. I told, why are you watching TV? I told you I'll be watching. Just when did I tell you to watch TV?
So these days, it's not like can I have something? Okay, I want this, and will you get it for me? Okay, thank you. That's it. No response from our side. Okay, thank you.
No, it's like that. In my house, it's like that. Mama asked me to watch TV. I asked, Mama, where did I? No, you told, right? Hey, Papa, you only told. That's how. Then he's going to confuse both of us.
That's it. They're here to tell. Daddy told I can have ice cream.
When did Daddy say that? Yeah?
By the time the ice cream is already in the bowl, then what to tell not to eat. They actually can eat it anyway.
Exactly. So, Santosh, how many kids?
One. He was around. He said.
Abhishek, tu kya kar raha hai?
Told him to say hello, but he was kind of like.
How old is he?
One. She's 9 years old.
9 years old. 9 years.
Lucky, come. Lucky.
Just a year
Come
older
here.
than my son.
You have one kid, right?
I have one kid.
No, you're not seeing it for the first time.
This guy.
Lucky, come.
This guy here. This
Abhishek, bye. Say something.
I feel like I know that.
अभिषेक तू इतना चुपचाप क्यों है रे?
अरे मेरे को चुपचाप सुनना है भाई सब लोग का आगे क्या करना है
Better to be very good listener, no?
Good.
That's it.
Abhishek, you're working with which company now?
I am in Ahmedabad, yeah. I have.
He's a freelancer. He's a freelancer.
Oh,
no, I have started my own company based at Ahmedabad.
Okay.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. What you are doing now?
I am watching my father's
I am
laptop.
talking to you.
Have you finished your homework?
Actually, I did not get any homework because exams are going now, so I do not have any homework.
Lucky, come. Lucky.
He's Rani uncle.
Come.
Santosh uncle. You know him. He's Abhishek uncle. He's Arvind uncle. Okay?
Hi বাবু কেমন আছো? কেমন আছো তুমি? ভাত খেয়েছো?
You can talk in Bengali to Arvind uncle. Arvind uncle knows Bengali.
তুমি ভাত খেয়েছো? তুমি ভাত খেয়েছো?
হ্যাঁ আমি ভাত অ্যাকচুয়ালি খাইনি আমি মাম্মা ওই কেকটা বানালো আর আমি খেয়ে নিলাম একসাথে তারপরে পুরি খেলাম
দারুণ তাহলে আজকে খুব ভালো গেল না দিনটা
হ্যাঁ
That's great.
Nice boy. They have no school Sunday now?
No, the schools are not yet open here.
Okay.
Actually, no, it is not open. We are doing online classes.
Oh, wonderful. Great. Do you like the online classes?
Yeah, I like them. Actually, they can teach me more about computers because we are doing it in the computers.
Oh, that is very good. Good job. Continue to learn and be the best. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Uncle.
Thank you, sir.
I think the biggest advantage of online classes is that they don't have to worry about the teachers. No punishment. Lucky, come.
Actually, sometimes the ma'am told her that if you do not stop speaking, then I will actually remove you from the class.
Okay.
So that is our punishment.
Punishment. Okay. Yeah, but you continue to be good, huh? No punishment. Only good marks all the time.
I actually never got a punishment.
It's very good.
Yeah. Your daddy was just like that too. He never used to get a punishment. I see that you sing songs too. You are a good singer.
Yeah, I sing some songs with my father.
Yeah. Your daddy is a very good singer. We enjoy his songs.
Thank you. I also play some piano. I got it in my birthday.
Lucky, come here. Put the dog inside. Lucky, come. Come here. Come here right now. Come.
Yeah.
Come here.
Okay. Thank you.
Lucky,
Yes, bye.
come here right now. Come. What are you doing? Huh?
So I have put him into piano classes now. Oh.
That's good. Yeah. That's
No,
lucky,
it's-
huh?
Huh? It's lucky, right?
Yeah, that's Lucky. That's Tiger. Okay, go inside. Go out house. Yeah. He likes to bark at everybody. He'll bark. It's a big problem. Go inside the house. Okay, I think
It was good meeting all of you. So I'll
yeah.
take leave. And,
Yep.
we'll meet again sometime soon. I think this was awesome. I think at least able to see all of us and we know. I think it was a great moment. Yeah.
Maybe next time, Sanjay, you record a song and we can start off.
I always have a recorded song. Yeah. You would have asked me to play a recorded song. I would have done.
You don't record. Just we'll have a live performance.
You get your guitar. You get your guitar, man. You get your guitar. Trust me. You get your guitar.
I will do it. I'll do it at some point. Right now, we're just starting to pick it up back.
Yeah. Oh, you just start to pick it up back.
So it's been a while since I played. So, but yeah, probably in one of our future, sometime.
We'll sing that song, Hotel California.
Yeah. Hotel California. Yeah.
We'll
that
start with
awesome.
that.
That was awesome. Yeah, that was awesome.
What I will do is I will fix up the date and the timing. The timing is same, no? It is okay, no? 9 o'clock.
This timing is okay for you guys?
This time is good. Yeah, 9. Starting at 9, your night 9, I think is perfect. I think
okay.
that's good.
Perfect, right?
Come. Lucky.
We keep it the same time, Abhishek, because I think, you can get maximum attendance here in this time. Right?
Right. Yeah.
That's fine. You guys were really great, yeah, man. It was really great to see so many people, man. I mean, almost how many joined, Abhishek? Some 15,
20 of us were
15,
there.
20?
Yes, 15, 20 of us. 6 of us are here right now. 6 of us are here.
6 of us are here.
And a lot of us came. Yes, great.
Aurobindo was saying that he won't come because he had some meeting lined up or something. So
Yeah, I had a Zoom. Actually, I had a Zoom call with my national head, but thing is that that got cancelled today. So that was the great part for me.
Arvindo,
very obvious. Saturday night.
Saturday is the day off.
Saturday night, exactly. Saturday night, I knew yesterday when you told me that you have a Zoom call with your boss, I knew it's not going to happen. My boss
No,
talks.
actually, it's not like that. See, Abhishek, sorry, Sanjay. Thing is that in insurance sector, in nowadays, no, in this pandemic situation, see, all are in turbulent part, but in insurance is huge pressure here. Since last 7 to 8 years, like 10 years more, I'm in insurance sector. It's really hard, tough, man. Because in pharma, I was there for 7 to 8 years. It's not that much of tough, but this market is very tough here in insurance.
Arvind, a question for you, since you are in insurance sector. Here for COVID, if somebody passes away in COVID, do they get insurance money? If somebody passes away, somebody
obviously,
dies.
there are two kind of policies. Yes. Somebody, no. There is nothing. See, if anyone has an insurance policy, purely like term plan or any other plan, if he dies by COVID or any part, obviously he will get the death benefit.
Okay, but that's why they're saying. I think here a lot of insurance are not covering COVID deaths.
A question to
now all the companies actually covering the COVID death now in India, but I don't have any idea about the apart from India, but in India all the companies are covering.
No, which are already existing. They're covering, Arvindo.
Yes, obviously. Yeah. All the policies are covered under COVID.
Okay.
Because about 200,000 people died now here in America due to COVID, you know.
See, thing is that due to COVID, Reni, since October onwards, all the health policy premiums are going to increase by 15 to 20%. And for senior citizen, it's like that it is going to be near about double the premium, the ticket size. And term plan, in April, premium got increased. And now it is going to be again increasing this year because companies are very much affected. They're losing money.
Yeah. That's right. Same thing, but here I was hearing some people are telling that even many benefits they are denying. If you are COVID, they're denying because others they're going to go bankrupt. You know, they're not going to have money to pay everybody.
Even in India also.
You guys who are staying outside of India, as you are a NRI, you can take a NRI plan from any company.
Yeah.
That will really be helpful because ultimately protection is required. That much I can say. और भाई चलो ये तो बात होता ही रहेगा. Hi Santosh, Abhishek, really this is great, yeah.
All right, dear. Take care. It was nice meeting. We'll see all of you soon again. Yeah.
Okay.
हम लोग अभी सोने जाएंगे. आप लोग काम करो यार.
Thanks for.
Yeah.
So Sunday for you guys, right? It's Sunday morning, right? Saturday morning.
Saturday afternoon.
Saturday afternoon. All right.
Okay, काम के लिए जाने. Okay, bye.
हाँ, तुम लोग काम पे जाओ, हम लोग सोने जाते हैं.
Okay, bye everybody. Thank you, Abhishek, Sanjay, Arpita, Sanjay, Santosh, welcome.
Okay.
Bye. Catch up, guys. संजय घुमाए बार.
जा घुमा.
बड़ा बहुत बोकली होगा था.
बड़ा दारू.
अभिषेक. ओए सुन अभिषेक. अभी तो हम 3 लोग ही है ना.
अभी 3 लोग. उमेश भी है.
अच्छा उमेश तो सुन रहा है. नो प्रॉब्लम. ये आज एक्चुअली मंडल को देख के मेरे को वो सुबह हॉस्पिटल वाला बात याद आ गया. अभिषेक तेरे को याद है अभी? बाप रे बाप. उस दिन जो हालत यार. ডাক্তার বাবু আমার বাড়ার হারবে গেছে.
ये तो अल्टीमेट था यार.
और कालपिट इज संजय कुमार पॉल.
ये
अभिषेक तेरे को याद है वाला इंसिडेंट?
अबे इंसिडेंट तो मेरे को याद है यार. पहले
नहीं अभिषेक को बोलो. वो इंसिडेंट्स के लिए तो तू ही तो कल्पिट है बे. तेरे को काहे नहीं याद होगा? अभिषेक योर फोन इज इन म्यूट. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है अभिषेक.
कैसे मैं कैसे कल्प्रिट हूँ?
नहीं संजय वाज अ कल्प्रिट.
ओके.
क्या हुआ था सुन. मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को. अगर भूल गया तो मैं बता रहा हूँ. हमारा रैगिंग होता है. अरे दीपुदा के फ्लैट में, राइट? दीपुदा के फ्लैट में था. तू हाँ क्या करा? तू तो था ही नहीं साला वहाँ पे.
नहीं दीपुदा का नहीं. ये लोग का जीबीआर कॉम्प्लेक्स में.
अबे नहीं, जीबीआर कॉम्प्लेक्स में नहीं हुआ था, दीपुदा के फ्लैट में हुआ था, मैं बता रहा हूँ।
नहीं हुआ था दीपुदा का फ्लैट में, जीबीआर कॉम्प्लेक्स में हुआ
था, मयूरदा था, वीरूदा था, ये लोग पूछा था उसको कि तुम स्वागरात का एक सीन करो।
वो नहीं संजय तू भूल गया, सुन, वो उसका पहले दिन ऐसा सीन हुआ था, और उस दिन जीबीआर कॉम्प्लेक्स में शाम के टाइम मैं आया था, उसके बाद तू भी आया।
अच्छा।
आने के बाद वी आर रिपीटिंग दैट सीन। अच्छा,
ओके, तो मेरे को याद नहीं होगा वो, लेकिन मेरे को डायलॉग्स बड़ा याद है आज भी। बड़ा भयंकर डायलॉग्स था लेकिन। और भास्कर का याद है? भास्कर
तो भाई दिए
अरे नहीं, भास्कर का मेरे को एक चीज है, लेकिन हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम यार, उसने जहाँ पे जो मकाम पे है वो हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम।
वो तो बात मानना पड़ेगा।
ये वो बोल रहा था, मेरे को याद है, अरविंद तेरे को भी पता याद होगा, फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ द सेकंड ईयर ऑफ द थर्ड ईयर, ठीक है, फाइनल ईयर क्या था, फाइनल ईयर फ्रेश, फाइनल ईयर
आई एम द भास्कर दास,
आई एम द भास्कर दास। ये जाएगा, इसको जाने का है।
सुनना तू स्वामी चाना ही दिया, चाना ही तू
तू निकल, तेरे को जाना है कहीं पे, पता है, तू निकल।
ठीक है, तू निकल, हम लोग
खत्म कर लेंगे, तू निकल। तू एडमिन राइट दे दे मेरे को, एडमिन राइट मेरे को यार, इसको दे के जा तू। ओके चल ठीक है, निकल। तेरा वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है, म्यूट अनम्यूट कर।
रिकॉर्ड कर लेना, रिकॉर्ड
अभी ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे, ये जाने दे।
हेलो मैडम, हाउ आर यू?
वाइफ है, वाइफ मोनिका।
हाय भाभी जी।
हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
अरविंद कर।
हाय भाभी।
आफ्टर बहुत साल बाद, पर ऐसे अभिषेक तेरे साथ मेरा बात होता रहता है।
हाँ, बात संजय के साथ भी बात होता है,
कॉल के साथ भी बात होता है,
मेरे साथ बात होता है। भाभी को पता होगा, मैं तो बात करता हूँ तो 1-1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा बात होता रहता है।
वही तो दोस्ती है यार। अभिषेक तेरा खाना हो गया क्या?
नहीं अभी नहीं हुआ, अभी जा रहे हैं।
तो एक काम करना, शी इज वेटिंग फॉर यू यार।
हाँ।
तो खत्म कर ले।
ठीक है।
तू खत्म कर ले,
ठीक है, मैं फिर आता हूँ।
चल भाई, गुड नाइट, मिलेंगे।
गुड नाइट, बाय बाय।